Wait, let me tie my shoe.
Yeah. I think I'm saying like too, bro. I can really do my focus. I don't know every part of it, but I think
I can tie my shoe.
That's right.
Once I'm done tying my shoe, we can race.
I wouldn't think about my shoe. I know I'd be afraid of though. I'd be afraid of letting him fast quick.
You want to know something? I'm posting this on YouTube.
We live on here. You know that conversation. We live. Hey. You know that conversation.
Hey, so that was a lot of fireworks. I know y'all can't see me because it's dark. Oh, they popping! They popping! They popping!
Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
What? What did I? Oh, dang, he scared me.
One more time again. Alright, we went on y'all 3 hours too. Y'all 3 hours too, baby. And don't let that be your last part. We got something for your ass. See that? You have 30 seconds to load. 30 seconds to load. If you don't load in 30 seconds, your ass forfeit. I don't know what you're gonna win. But that park, I'm over here. Oh yeah, we paid now, so. See, because they don't have a DJ right now.
No, everybody come here. I gotta get him play. Okay, end the video. Bye.